Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hyaluronic Acid Easy Guide. Apply to damp skin right after cleansing, using a pea-sized amount and patting gently until absorbed. Use once or twice daily, morning and evening, before thicker creams or oils. Layer with compatible serums and avoid mixing with harsh exfoliants if you have sensitive skin. Patch test new products on the jawline before full face application. Start with clean, damp skin to help hyaluronic acid bind water more effectively across the face and neck. Dispense a pea-sized amount, warm it between fingertips, then press and pat into skin rather than rubbing. Wait a moment for absorption, then follow immediately with a moisturizer or light oil to lock in hydration. Use morning and night for best results, and apply sunscreen during the day to protect hydrated skin. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people interested in simple skincare tips. Quick recommendation. A book I found helpful is The Simple Path to Wealth, which changes how you think about money and priorities. It pairs nicely with taking small, consistent steps in skincare too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid applying hyaluronic acid to fully dry skin because it can pull moisture from deeper layers and cause tightness. Do not layer directly under harsh actives like high-strength acids or prescription retinoids if you notice redness or peeling. Use only the recommended pea-sized amount. More product will not improve results and may pill under makeup. If irritation appears, reduce frequency, stop other actives, and consult a dermatologist for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.